Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to reset your iPhone 11. This works on all models, the Pro, the Max, the 11. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, you can release. Continue to hold. Back up. Also guys, drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel as well. And there you guys go, your phone has been resetted.